must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams.
Yeah. You know the game where you look like you have played games, you look like they're afraid of you.
Man never complain. Remember the heart that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man I fi put mama house upstairs. Yeah.
Yes, good afternoon or good evening or good day. This is Jasmine Tash, also known as Jasmine McIntosh, producer of the Broja Tash label and also artist manager, just one package. But introducing the movie, Welcome to the Ghetto. Producer of Welcome to the Ghetto, a part of Welcome to the Ghetto. As we put this thing together and the team together, we thank you and we send our love and that you spend the time to watch our movie. And we appreciate it. We do appreciate it. We are sorry, but we're coming back. Sorry that it's going to be closing of this season, but look forward for the next season. It will be bigger, better, nicer, and speaking about Jamaica Ghetto life. Thank you.